Can I ask you that?
Go ahead.
Again? So, what's one tip you have for?
Shout out to you, Div. No way. No freaking way. No way did I just end up meeting a person, a YouTuber, a celebrity, a social media influencer with 2.3 million subscribers. No goddamn way. Oh my god. Watch this whole video. It's a story time episode. Okay, so let's start with a quick. I'm gonna make this video very quick because I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, I've never been this excited. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, so how do I put it in the right words? I met Drubinski, a YouTuber with 2.3 million subscribers on YouTube, and he's a verified account on Instagram. I don't know how many followers he has on Instagram. You can just check it out. Link in the description box below of his both social handles. I also took a photo with him. Yes, I also took a short clip of video with him that you will see in this particular video. So stay tuned. So let's start off with. So I decided to go to Marina Mall alone. Yes, because I sometimes I just enjoy my time alone. Sometimes, mostly I want to go with friends, but this time I thought let's just go alone. I just wanted to sort of discover. So usually I just go to Mall of the Emirates, Ibn Battuta or Dubai Mall. These three are the only malls, or you can say stations, that I've stopped at using the metro station. But today I changed that. I don't know why. Come on, it's all part of a coincidence. Okay, so I thought, okay, I don't want to go there. I decided to end up going to Marina Mall. It's a mall. It's sort of a really small mall. It's not a really big mall. It's a really small mall in Marina, Dubai Marina. It's a skyline also, and residential places and stuff. So I went there. I was just hanging around there. I went to this shop, I went to that shop, I went to I was just roaming around Marina Mall just without any purpose. I was bored. Okay, I wanted a day off without anyone interrupting me, and I was having my me time. So I was just roaming around there, and this is what happens. I'm walking in that direction, and there's a washroom here. Okay, there's a washroom to my left side, and I'm walking straight, and there's a person who comes opposite to me. He's wearing I think he was wearing a blue shirt. I don't remember. You can see it in the photo above me. So he was just passing through there. He had something on his what am I saying? He had AirPods on, and he was listening to something. Okay, and then I'm like, shit, that's Drubinski. And then no, but then I didn't immediately go and ask him or something, because I wasn't sure. So I followed him a little, and I'm like, okay, that's for sure Drubinski. I asked him 2 times, bro, excuse me, and then he didn't reply because he had AirPods on. He couldn't hear me. I was too low. And then the washroom came, so he went inside the washroom. I didn't go inside the washroom, because who takes a photo inside the washroom with a celebrity? Okay, and then I just waited outside. I think he took like 10-15 minutes to come outside. He came outside. I followed him a little bit, I didn't stalk him, okay. And then I just followed him a little bit, and I'm like, excuse me, are you Drubinski? And he's like, yeah, what's your name? And I'm like, Akib. And then I was so nervous. Correction, I was having butterflies in my stomach. Usually I'm a pretty confident person, you can say that, but at that point I just got so nervous. I was having butterflies in my stomach. Okay, watch this clip.
So right now I'm in Marina Mall, and I was walking down to the 3rd floor, and I suddenly saw Drubinski. He was walking towards the washroom, and I tried to say hello, and then he's just like, he was listening to something. He had his earbuds on, and then he's inside the washroom right now. I want him to come out so that I can have a picture with him.
Watched it. That's how nervous I was. I was having butterflies in my stomach. Who has butterflies in the stomach before meeting a YouTuber? Me, because I'm Akib. Ouch, that pain. Okay, then I didn't ask him. First of all, he's a very, very humble person. He's a very nice person. He was an amazing person. He was just one of the humblest people I've ever met. So instead of me asking, can I have a photo with you, he's like, bro, let's take a picture. And I'm like, yeah, obviously. And then I just took out my phone, and I'm like, full on selfie pose. You can see the selfie as a layer on my screen. Okay, so that was my selfie with him. Then he went to a coffee shop. I think I was just not following him. I was just roaming around. The mall is very small, as I told you. So I was just roaming around, and I was like, he was there. He was on the opposite side of me. I was just roaming around here and there, and I was still having butterflies in my stomach. I was like, there's one thing I missed, and then I remembered, shit, I was supposed to ask him a question. I wanted to ask him a question on what is his one tip for new YouTubers who are just starting out, like me. So I went again. I was First of all, this took a lot of confidence. I was like, no, that's gonna be weird. No, I don't want to ask him that question, this, that. But I just went. I'm like, okay, no, I have to ask. This is my only chance. I'm gonna regret it if I don't ask him this one question. I went. He was talking to someone else. He was not talking. He was taking a photo with someone else, because come on, he's a celebrity. Everyone wants to take a photo with him. So he was taking a photo with someone else, and I'm like, and then he took me. He's like, give me a minute. And then he done talking, and then I'm like, sir, I forgot to ask you one question that I wanted to ask you, but because I was so nervous, I forgot. And he's like, yeah, sure, go on. And I'm like, can I just take it as a video, short video for my YouTube channel? And he says, yeah, go on. But I have a meeting, so make it quick. That's what he said. Okay. And I'm like, yeah, sure. So this is the video I shot with.
Can I ask you that?
Go ahead.
Again? So what's one tip you have for new YouTubers who are just starting out?
Consistency, posting often, and even if it's bad content, just get it out there, and you can make adjustments in the future.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Thank you.
Saw that? Yes, I was nervous. I was crazy nervous. Okay, and I asked him that question. He answered. He was like, yeah, you have to be just consistent. Just put out the content. Oh man. I still like, I still can't believe it. It's all part of a coincidence. If I wouldn't have gone to Marina Mall, instead I would have gone to Dubai Mall or Mall of the Emirates, then I wouldn't have met him. And actually, my main plan was the reason I actually went out today alone. That too was actually I was having a plan of meeting someone. Not exactly like I didn't know that I'm gonna for sure meet him or her. So Jumana Khan, you might know him, you might know her. Ajmal Khan, then the Sadiq Ahmed, it's Roman Khan, Nas Daily. All these 5 of my favorite YouTubers and TikTokers and Instagrammers are in Dubai right now. So I was like, if I go out and if there is a coincidence, I might meet any one of them. Drew Binsky wasn't one of them, because I didn't know he was in Dubai. He travels around the whole world. He's traveled to almost 197 countries. How would I know he's in Dubai? So I just trusted my gut. I'm like, okay, I didn't even have 2-3% chance of meeting anyone. I'm like, no, I'm just gonna go out. Maybe if I get the chance, maybe if I'm lucky, maybe if the coincidence is there, then I'll meet any one of them. 5 social media influencers. Ended up meeting Drew Binsky. I think I'm way more happier meeting him because he's an amazing person. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if you got excited from this video, then thank you. What am I even saying? I'm just okay. Bye.